When we think of the stock market, words like complex, intimidating, and unpredictable often come to mind. But what if one of the most successful investors of all time gave us a simple piece of advice? Meet Peter Lynch, the legendary investor who is one of the most successful and renowned stock market investors of all time. As the portfolio manager of Fidelity's Magellan fund from 1977 to 1990, he averaged an annual return of over 29%. One of his most famous pieces of advice is, "Invest in what you know. Know what you own." Quote as a reminder that it is important to understand the companies you are investing in. You should be familiar with the company's products or services, its industry, and its competitive landscape.
The single most important thing to me in the stock market for anyone is to know what you own. I'm amazed how many people own stocks. They would not be able to tell you why they own it. They couldn't say in a minute or less why they own it. Actually, if you really press them down, they'd say the reason I own this is the sucker's going up. I mean, that's the only reason. That's the only reason they own it. And if you can't explain, I'm serious, you can't explain to a 10-year-old in 2 minutes or less why you own a stock, you shouldn't own it.
Here's a deeper dive into what this means. Sounds too simple? Let's break it down. Think about the products you use every day. The coffee brand you love, the shoes you wear, the technology you can't live without you. As a consumer, see trends before Wall Street analysts. But don't rush to buy stocks just because you love a product. Lynch's advice isn't just about what's in your shopping cart. It's about combining what you love with what you learn. Just loving a product doesn't make it a good investment. Research the company, understand its financial health, its competition, and its future prospects. If you're passionate about something, you're more likely to stay updated, understand industry shifts, and make informed decisions. Your profession, hobbies, and passions can be gold mines for investment ideas. Dive deep into what you understand, and opportunities might just reveal themselves. Some of the most successful companies today were once small startups that everyday consumers believed in before Wall Street took notice. So, next time you're pondering an investment, remember Peter Lynch's golden words and think about the world around you. After all, sometimes the best insights aren't hidden in complex charts but in plain sight.